maintaining the weapon in a safe orientation. At this time, I put the weapon on safe. Ensure the well is clear of all. I will load the magazine, maintaining the weapon in a safe direction. Double tap at the bottom of the magazine to ensure that the magazine is set well. Load my first round. Now I will bring the bolt forward by hitting the bolt release. I will tap the forward, making sure that round is seated. At this point, I put the weapon on safe and fire, and I can engage. Bang, 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 bang. Now, at this point, I perform immediate action. Bang, bang, weapon clogs. I attempt to put the weapon on safe. I tap the bottom of the magazine, tap, tap. Make sure that it sits. I rigorously pull back many times on here until it seats. At this point, I ride that bolt forward, making sure that the round is seated properly, and now I can re-engage my target. Bang, 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 bang. Now, at this point, I will unload the weapon, putting the weapon back on safe. I lock that bolt to the rear. I drop my magazine, making sure that there is no ammunition inside of the well. Ready for inspection.